What a beautiful day. Glorious. After yesterday going to see obviously the home of Woodward, I thought what better way to spend it than to come to see the Durham Cathedral. You know, that's what Woodward's famous for around here.
More history.
More history, yes. So we're going to have a walk around Durham. Although I live pretty close to Durham, it's not somewhere I visit often. I think the last time I was here was in Bain, especially the cathedral. So it's going to be interesting for me too. You like it around here, didn't you?
Durham.
Durham. Durham, 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 Durham. Home of the Pink Panther. But honestly, it's a beautiful day. The day I might just leave my coat in the van.
It's red hot on top of my head. But if I take my clothes off, then
You get locked up if you take your clothes off, darling.
Oh, can you smell the white garlic?
Mhm.
Lovely, doesn't it? Oh, summer's
Beautiful,
coming.
beautiful.
When you move, there's a freedom from your hips up to your eyes. Patron saint of the season. Yeah, you were built for mid-July. You got the glow of the sunset. You got the rush of the ocean waves. Burning high like it's wanted. You make it feel like summer again. Again. Is your skin soft as ice cream? Yeah, you melt under my touch. And with your kiss strong as lightning, you got me falling right back in love. You got the glow of the sunset. You got the rush of the ocean waves. You're burning high like it's wanted. You make it feel like summer again. Again. You make it feel like summer again. Again. And we both know that it's probably not gonna last forever. In the blink of an eye, May turns into September. When we look back at all the things that we could remember, I want to remember you, and then I'll feel it again, again, and then I'll feel it again, again. You got the glow of the sunset. You got the rush of the ocean waves. You're burning high like it's wanted. You make it feel like summer again. We got a chance and we'll live it. The only rule is there's no regret. From the start to the end, you make it feel like summer again. Again, you make it feel like summer again. Again, you make it feel like summer. Oh yeah.
One thing I can say is it is massive. It is absolutely huge, isn't it?
See, I remember drawing that at school?
Yeah, the door
You
knocker.
had to draw the knocker, didn't you? School, because it was a school club coming here.
That's a big knocker. You used to have big knockers. Right. It's just that way. Massive, isn't it? Check this out, man. Check this out. massive place. It is beautiful. The stonework is amazing. I've never seen anything like all the castles I've been to, places I've seen. I've never seen nothing like this. Not the way the pillars are. Breathtaking. Absolutely breathtaking. Now, the story I remember was the monks had to flee Lindisfarne with St Cuthbert's remains because they kept getting raided by Vikings. So they fled to Chester Lee Street, and they followed 2 milkmaids down the river when they were transporting St Cuthbert. So the monks were travelling and they followed 2 milkmaids down the river, and these milkmaids were searching for a specific dun cow. Now, St Cuthbert's coffin got stuck and it wouldn't move, so they took that as a sign where to build his next place of permanent residence, which became a little wooden building, and it was known as the White Church, which, you know, they started onto it, they built a stone building which became the White Church. Now, Durham got invaded by Vikings. This is where Uhtred comes into it. It was called. Uhtred's father was too old by this point. So Uhtred and his army cleared Durham of the Vikings, and that's how he got commended, he got known for that, really. So he cleared Durham of the Vikings, and so they could build the cathedral. And the bishop allowed Uhtred to marry his daughter, which then gave Uhtred a bit more power, you know, a bit more wealth and land and stuff like that, and then hence the cathedral and all of that. It's a beautiful place in this courtyard, in the sunshine. Wow, isn't it? Red hot. Amazing, man, amazing.
They're taken back by it, mate.
It's just I kind of get in with the intricacy of the work involved, especially for when, you know, all them years ago when it was built and that.
Just been under construction again, though. They've not long since took all the scaffold down and everything on the. Because the last time I was here, it was full of scaffolding. So it's really nice to come in and not be allowed back in and not be under construction anymore.
Around about, how old am I now? Around about 27 years ago, my artwork was actually put up in here. They came out of the school, and there was loads of school. It was a thing at the time. It was chosen. My artwork was chosen. This piece of art I've done was chosen. It was actually displayed in here. It was really around 1994. 1994, my artwork was actually displayed in here. So, a little bit of useless information. But I think we'll leave you here, guys, and we'll thank you for joining us. Yep, if you like what you see, please remember, give it a thumbs up.
And ding on that bell, ding ding ding.
And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, really help out loads. And hopefully get to see you next week.